Okay, we're back here again. Let's check our work here. So Gina ran 12 laps. She ran 8 fewer than Bettina. Oh, how many did Bettina run? Well, Gina ran less than Bettina, so Bettina is going to be my top here, because Bettina ran more. Oh. Gina ran less. Okay, so Gina ran 12, but it was 8 fewer. Oh, okay, well that's going to be an addition one then, because Bettina ran more. So that's just going to be 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 equals 20. So, answer then is 20 laps. Let's check out number 4. Bettina ran 20 laps. She ran 8 more than Gina. Okay. How many did... So, Bettina... She ran 8 more... Okay, well, so Bettina has the most. So, we're going to give her this top one again. She ran 8 more than Gina. But we don't know how many Gina ran. So Gina will get this small one right there. It's not a very good question mark. But we did know that Bettina ran 8 more. Okay, so that's a subtraction problem. Well, 20 minus 8, well, I know that one equals 12. So 12 laps. And then my last one, Sarah. Sarah had 18 books this year. She read 13 fewer than Lupe. Well, Sarah read fewer books. That means Lupe is going to get the top. But we don't know how many books Lupe read, so she has the question mark. Sarah did read 18, and it was 13 fewer. Yep, 18 fewer. Okay, so it means Lupe is going to have the bigger number. So it's going to be a plus 18 plus 13. Okay, and I know 18 plus 13 is 31 books. Now I did a lot of that mentally in my head, but if you, like for that last one, if you wanted to do like 18 plus 13 on top of each other, great, do that, please. Because 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1 up. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so check your thinking here. Submit page 405 to Schoology. Then we'll go to the next page. Okay, so this one has just a number of problems again, just like this first page. So this is page 406. And I'm going to do the first one, and then you'll finish these. Solve comparison problems without the words more or fewer. Solve each problem, label each answer. The coach brought 18 hockey sticks to practice. There were 23 players at practice. How many players didn't get sticks? So I have to think, was that plus or is that minus? So brought 18 sticks. There were 23. How many didn't get sticks? Well, I'm going to do my comparison bars. So there are 23 players and brought 18 sticks. Well, I'm missing a part here then. So then I have to do 23 minus 18. So 23 minus 18 equals blank here. Oh, and I know what 23 minus 18 is 5. And so for any of these problems, you can do mental math like I did there. Or if you want to, you can show your work like 23 minus 18. And do what's best for you. I can't do 3 minus 8, so I'm going to take away one of my 10s. I have 1 10. Bring it over to the 3, so I have 13 10s. 13 minus 8 is 5. And 1 minus 1 is nothing. Okay, so I'm going to read these next ones, and then you will go and finish them by yourself. 7. At a meeting, 15 people had to stand because there were not enough chairs. There were 12 chairs. How many people came to the meeting? So there were 12 chairs. That means people were sitting in those chairs, but there was also 15 standing. How many people came to the meeting? It doesn't say total or all together, but I'd kind of think about that. 8. So you got to think, is it plus or minus? At the park, 4 of the children could not swing because there are not enough swings. There were 20 children at the park. how many swings were on the swing set? So 4 kids couldn't swing. There's 20 kids there. So how many swings did they have? So think, is it plus or minus? Maylee stepped on 14 tiles along the garden path. There were 13 tiles she did not step on. How many tiles were there on the path? Because she stepped on 14. There's 13 she didn't step on, though. How many tiles are there? So I have to think, is that plus or minus? Then my last one. This one, try your best with this. I'll show you my thinking on it. But rewrite the comparison statement. Pete has 12 fewer tools than Cooper, using the word more. So it's more so just kind of rewriting that with the word more. I know it's a little bit confusing, but it's just kind of like reworking the sentence using the word more. But okay, have fun, and you can come back to check.